Once upon a time, in the country of Greece, there was a handsome and noble prince named Albert. Because of his good behavior, the king loved him very much. However, Prince Albert's stepmother did not like how much the king favored him. She complained about Prince Albert so much that she forced the king to order his death. The king did not want to kill Prince Albert, so he gave him a letter and sent him to a neighboring kingdom, where another king, who was a friend of Prince Albert's father, ruled. The letter the prince carried said, the prince must be put to death. But Prince Albert did not know this and thought the other king would be kind to him when he read the letter. When Prince Albert reached the neighboring kingdom, he met the king. The king liked Prince Albert because of his good manners. For 9 days, the king treated him as a guest without asking why he had come. On the 10th day, the king finally asked why he was there. Prince Albert handed him the letter from his father. After reading the letter, the king was troubled. He did not want to kill such a good prince, but he also did not want to disobey the order. So, the king came up with another plan. In the king's land, there was a terrible monster causing great trouble. The monster had the head of a lion, sharp teeth, and a body like a goat. Its tail was like a dragon's and it breathed fire. This monster had killed many people, so the king asked Prince Albert to kill the beast. Even though this was a very dangerous task, Prince Albert agreed to do it. He was a kind prince who wanted to save the people from suffering. He prayed to the goddess of wisdom for help. The goddess, who knew everything, also knew how brave Prince Albert was, so she decided to help him. She gave him a special gift. When Prince Albert saw the gift, he was both surprised and happy. It was a beautiful white horse with shining white wings on its shoulders. Prince Albert quickly got on the horse, and as soon as he did, the horse flew high into the sky. The prince guided the horse towards the monster. When the prince saw the beast, he began shooting arrows at it. The monster roared in pain, and fire came out of its mouth. It even hit the ground with its tail so hard that the earth shook. But none of this scared Prince Albert because he was high up in the sky, safe from the flames. The monster tried hard to reach Prince Albert with its fire, but it couldn't. After a while, the fire in its mouth died out. Prince Albert kept shooting arrows until the monster's body was filled with them. Finally, with a loud roar, the monster fell to the ground and died. Thanks to Prince Albert's bravery, the people were finally free from the terror of the monster. The king and all the people of the land were overjoyed. They celebrated their freedom from the monster. After this, the king gave Prince Albert more difficult tasks, but with the help of his flying horse, Prince Albert completed them all. In the end, the king rewarded Prince Albert with many gifts and allowed him to live peacefully in his kingdom.